Okay, so here's the link to get NVIDIA Broadcast. We literally just do that. Click on that. Here it is. You download it. And then you type in NVIDIA Broadcast. Click it open. Wait for it to open. Alright, mine's on the wrong screen. There we go. We move it here. You gotta select your camera. I mean, for mine, that's the camera I'm using. It has its own engine, but you want to select which camera you want, and then you can also adjust lighting and all that in here. It's kind of finicky, at least for this camera, or if I try using this, it lags the whole system out, so I don't use it. And then you can set the resolution, change it to whatever, change your background through here, which I've shown you in the past video. NVIDIA Broadcast also allows you to, let's say you're in a Discord call and someone's dog is barking nonstop, you can set your speakers to NVIDIA Broadcast and have it remove that with noise reduction or echo removal, and it'll remove any background noise that is not a voice. Same thing with the microphone, which is what I use all the time. I use noise removal, and without it, this is what you would hear. As you can tell, you can hear my computer fans, this and the other. So I leave that on all the time. Makes me sound like I have a lisp. You can change the strength and whatnot, but yeah. And so I'll show you guys how the camera actually looks at 4K resolution. I'll do that now. Alright, someone asked me if I could show them 4K resolution with the NVIDIA broadcast. So this is 4K resolution. And this is how it looks. I don't know if this helps you or not. As you can see, it kind of keeps up for the most part. I'm not seeming to have any issues with glitching out besides the green on the side because of the green screen in the background. Well, I'm actually pretty impressed with the quality of the AI software. I would have thought it would start spazzing out at 4K resolution, but I guess not. I'm using nvidia webcam, which is a 4K resolution camera. I don't recommend it though, because you need a stupidly bright light in order to use it. If you ever heard of DJI Air 2S, it uses camera that's really high quality, but they made that camera as a module webcam. I'll leave a link to that in the comments below if anyone's interested. It's a $300 camera, but it is better, and it's the best camera on the market right now, or webcam I should say, because the one I use, you can see in the reflection of my helmet that stupidly bright light, which is like 2000 lumens, just to get this quality, and it makes it very blinding and hard to see my monitor and stuff. I'll eventually replace it when I have the money. But yeah, that's what NVIDIA Broadcast looks like at 4K resolution. Right, so to enable it on your not software, on your cameras and stuff, you would have to just go to Amigo real fast, settings, okay, never mind. So basically when you're on whatever program you're going to be using, you have to go into your settings up here, and then you want to click NVIDIA Broadcast as your main camera. Otherwise, it will not work properly. So even in Discord and Zoom and stuff, you just set it to NVIDIA Broadcast as your webcam. And you do the same thing with your microphone and speaker input, output. That's all. Player signing out.
Hey, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. If you like the content on this channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, leave a comment on what I can do to improve. Okay, bye.